Mobility Solutions, and today we're unboxing the third product out of this lineup from the United Kingdom. And this one we're really excited about. This thing's going to be super helpful for some of you out there. So let's jump right in.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, and guys, I have a product right here I think you're going to love, especially if you're already have a fold-up power chair, a fold-up scooter, or maybe looking to buy one and you don't really want to spend the extra money for the super light because you can't really lift it. Whatever it may be, this product right here I think is going to be an awesome solution for a lot of people lifting these portable units into a vehicle. Now, it can only lift up to 88 pounds, but a lot of stuff's going to a accordion style fold or fold flat. So here's just an unboxing. I'm going to show you what's in the inside, and then we're going to show it how it goes in the car, how it operates. So there's a lot to learn about this product. It's brand new to us. So we're going into this just like you would at home. They did make a couple changes, so we'll see if the changes are in this box. First of all, this is super light. This down here is a little bit heavier, but still very light. So I don't know what's in each of these boxes, but let's just go ahead and start unboxing them to show you what you have. This is going to ship out of our West Columbia warehouse. It possibly can ship out of our Dallas location. So there's a couple ways we would ship it. And inside of here, really, I'm just looking at a bunch of packages. Like, maybe the lift's not even in here. Okay, so this is just the base. This is the new base. This is a portable, I'm gonna go ahead and surprise you what it is. It's a portable lift. That is something that I was trying to make, and this can go into SUVs, it can go in cars, and you can actually transfer this to another vehicle. You don't have to screw anything in. It's going to be really cool to show you what this thing can offer, because a lot of people are buying these, like either it's like a scissor mechanism lift, then you have something else to load into your car, more work to do, and then there's some other type of lifts. So this we think is going to replace that. A couple other little things inside of here. Make sure you grab is some screws, your little tab. And we'll show you how all this works, and your ratchet strap. We'll show you how that works too. All right, so that's the new style. Let's see what else is in here. So I have a feeling when you order this, after this video is launched, it's possibly going to just come in one box, and that one box might be a little bit heavier than two different boxes. So I'm not really sure. This is your manual. Supposedly, this is the old style system. So we're just going to put that to the side for now. This is the battery that operates it, and you should be able to operate this also through your scooter, but this it's like a drill battery. I'm sure there's a charger. Pretty nice, lightweight battery indicator. I would imagine this is your charger. Yep. So just like any other drill, just going to slide on there. That's how you're going to charge this battery. This is going to operate the lift, and I believe you can operate it through your scooter also. There's some different things you'll need. Wireless remote. Dude, when y'all find out what this is, I'm telling you, I'm just giving you a heads up. Not many people are showcasing this in the States. It's a UK product. This is the lift. It's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. I don't know. 15 pounds. I think this is going to be another setup for the old style. So they sent me both things to review, but I believe that the new one's going to be that one over there, and we're going to try to figure that out for you. But besides that, we know this is what the lift's going to look like, and it's going to be like a boom arm lift. And then you're going to have your hookups for different things. So there's a couple different ways of doing this. There's also a strap that comes out, but besides all that, when you receive this from us, The good news is, oh yeah, so here's like the strap with the fold, but they give you another option if you have some other type of product you're lifting, like a fold down or even like a go-go. As long as the seats remove the batteries off, this probably can lift that too. And there's no drilling involved. This is a portable lift system that goes into your car. You set it up, you can use it in there. You don't have to take it out, put it in. It folds down, it does a lot of stuff. But let's say you wanted to put this in someone else's vehicle, or you bought a new vehicle, you can easily move it out, put it in the new vehicle. You don't have to pay for someone to do the installation, running the wiring. You don't have to do any of that stuff. So I am like, you have no idea how excited I am to bring this to you. And I can look at it right now and tell everything seems like it's of good quality. Now, is it easier to use than a hitch mounted lift? Maybe not, I don't know. Is it easier to use than a standard boom arm lift? Probably about the same, but the standard boom arms or the smart lifts go inside that you have to drill in or you have to put to the side of your car. It's very hard to install them. You have to pay someone to do it. It gets kind of expensive unless you have someone very, very handy. And then if you buy a new car, the other problem is a lot of cars have false flooring, so you can't really do it. The problem with the hitch mounted lifts for some units is the cars are lighter, then you got to buy a hitch to put it on there. So there's a lot of expenses. This is going to be a package probably close to about $2,000. So that's below what most of those boom arms and hitch mounts by far, by thousands of dollars. So stick with me on this. I can't wait to get this installed into a lift. So like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe and you're seeing this video, I'm going to give you a good discount to be like a guinea pig and tell me what you think, but I think you're going to love it. Coming soon.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com or give us a call at 803-926-2224.
Mileage and distance can vary based on terrain. Your price can vary too. If our phone rings, we'll beat the other guy's price, but you actually have to call us. So what are you waiting on?